Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
We assume that's the Bahamas. 544 miles per hour, 46, 56 degrees.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Michael. I'm the education manager at the Audubon Center for Birds of Prey. Did we all have a really great time today? I know we did too. Mr. Gopher watched from up there, but I was able to watch from down here. He really enjoyed it. He was talking to me a whole lot about how much he really liked seeing that. His favorite character is Mullet Fingers. Gopher here has been with us for a year and a couple of months now. He is about 2 years old. 2 years old. Yeah, he's about 2 years old now. He's fully grown. He's an adult. He's about as big as he'll ever get. He came to us last year as a 1-year-old and with a really bad wing. We think it was broken on some barbed wire that was above his burrow. And it healed before he came to us in such a way that he's not able to extend it all the way out to fly. Because of that, we now are able to take care of him full time at our center. Right now, he's working off his rent here today with us as he's presenting himself as an ambassador of his species. Do I have any questions about Mr. Gopher or burrowing owls? Okay, right down here, sure.
They live.
How long do burrowing owls live is the question. That's an excellent question indeed. Burrowing owls can get into their teens. In captivity in the wild, probably not so much. But we expect to have Gopher for a very long time.
And also, do they usually come out of their burrows?
Do they usually come out of their burrows? That's a great question too. Burrowing owls will come out of their burrows when they are looking for food. Maybe they're trying to find another mate. It's important for them to come in and out of the burrows. Some fun facts about burrowing owls and their burrows. They have interesting defense mechanisms to protect themselves and their families from the things outside. One of them being they'll make a rattlesnake noise. If you get too close to a burrow, it thinks, oh my goodness, some scary thing is going to come and eat me or my family. So it'll make some, that's my favorite picture. It'll make a rattlesnake noise. Another fun fact about burrowing owls and their burrows, another defense mechanism that they use, is that they'll go around and they'll collect things like cow poop and horse poop. And they'll gather it around just the outside of their burrows. That way predators can't smell them inside. So if you're not scared away by the cow poop and the rattlesnake noise, good luck. Yeah. Down here.
How do they make the burrow?
How do they make the burrow? Well, what they do really is they will find burrows from other animals. They'll find them from gopher tortoises or actual gophers. That's why we named him Gopher. And they'll kind of excavate it out as they need to after they found one. But they're not really making their own. And they actually have very special legs, a little bit different than other owls. They're very long legs. They don't have as many feathers on them to help them get through all the sand and areas across the United States. They really like sandy areas because they're easy to dig through. But yeah, they can live all over the United States. They don't live too much in New England and the Northeast. But out west, there's a lot of them out there too. And they will also live in colonies. So it's not like you'll have like one nest of owls somewhere, or just one nest over here, over there. There'll actually be a whole bunch of different burrowing owls all in the same area, which I think is pretty cool. We had a question down here? Yeah? Back there, yes sir. What's your name?
What do they usually eat?
What do they usually eat? That's an excellent question. Burrowing owls love eating bugs.
How do they make their burrows?
How do they make their burrows? Well, that's a great question. They will find the burrows that are already made by things like gophers or gopher tortoises, and they'll take over those. Yeah, great question. Thanks for asking. Who's next up there? Yes, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
You want to step right on up? Ask
Do
me
you know
any
if
questions.
it's
Yes.
boy or girl?
This is a boy.
How do we know?
But
Yeah.
how do you know?
And we know that because of his size. He's tiny. And male birds of prey are generally going to be about 25% smaller than the girls. Great question. Who's next?
How can we help owls?
How can you help owls? That is, and are really dependent on their lungs for flight. So having less pollution in the air is a really important part of that. We can also plant native plants is a really big thing. It may not seem normal to do that for an owl or something, but when you plant a native plant, it's going to attract native bugs, and those native bugs are going to attract things that eat those native bugs, and burrowing owls are going to eat those things, those native things.